Hi all, my name is David. I'm here to give my testimonial for the Wholesale Blueprint course led by Eamonn McCaffrey, who is also a coach within the iGen entrepreneur group. Bit of a background on my Amazon journey. I've been selling on Amazon for over 2 years now, starting with the retail arbitrage, driving around the stores, scanning some products, trying to find some profitable deals. I was constantly chasing new products, new stuff to sell to keep my business growing, which can be challenging. And I'm sure some of you might relate to that. I was getting an average results and couldn't increase my sales. Wasn't sure what I was doing wrong. I also needed some structure and guidance in my business that allowed me to grow. And this is why I decided to sign up to the Wholesale Blueprint course with Eamonn. I got to know Eamonn from the previous course led by him that I was a part of. And I was really looking forward to start the Wholesale Blueprint course. And yeah, it did not disappoint me. The structure of the course is well thought out, with all materials available if needed to be rewatched. Course contains parts like how to set up your own Shopify stores, the best way how to find the suppliers or analyze prices in the way that online softwares can't do, how to create your own listing. The course touches even on the stuff like the mindset, which in my opinion, it's very important, if not the most important part in growing any business. For me, personally, the biggest value that I'm getting from the course are the weekly group coaching calls, where we can discuss day-to-day issues, ask some questions, and learn from each other. In my Amazon journey, having Eamonn as a mentor helped me to identify my weaknesses by answering not so comfortable questions and setting up some achievable goals. To me, Eamonn, as a coach and as a person, is someone who genuinely cares and want everybody to do well, but also have an ability to focus on every single person individually. He's also being honest and will tell you if you're not taking action to push you even further. After over 2 months into a course, I've opened a few wholesale accounts and successfully placed some orders with them. I also got some tips on talking to the suppliers at the spring fair this year, whilst having a walkthrough with Eamonn. So yeah, if anybody is stuck with making some programs or want to get to that next level, I would highly recommend wholesale course led by Eamonn, as he over delivers in all part of the course. Um, to me, it's a no-brainer, and I only wish I found the iGen group sooner. So I guess that's all. Yeah, have a good night.